Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 670 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect this to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is the Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first thing is, let's put the headphones in the pairing mode. So go to the right side here where all the buttons are. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and turn these on, okay? So I'm going to press and hold that power button. It said power on. And it said connected, okay? You'll know if yours is in pairing mode if it says in pairing mode, and also the blue light here will be blinking blue, okay? But anyway, I'm connected to a different device, so let me manually put this into pairing mode. So for myself, I got to double tap the power button here. 1, 2. And it just said pairing, and now it's blinking blue, okay? Now I can go ahead and connect. If you get this pop up here, you can connect that way. If not, no biggie, you can just go directly to your Bluetooth settings, go to settings, connections, and then go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then that little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. It's still in pairing mode, it's blinking blue. It did found the 670 NC headphones. It's pairing, you get a pairing request with Android phones, tap on pair. And it just said connected, and you can see we're connected and ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description. If you need to reset these, then just look for the link below in the description area.